So I've come out for a little cruise. Thought it'd be a good place to stop and just film my car and maybe just make a little video. Today I just want to talk about a new exhaust for my car. It's got a hole. It's got the cat stuffed. There's a hole in the middle pipe in the muffler, and yeah, and also the tailpipe, which if you watched my other videos you probably would have seen, and it's hanging off the end here a little bit loose, so I need to get a new one. So I was just thinking what kind of exhaust I should get. I'm going to keep the pacemaker 4499s in there. Yeah, pacemaker 4499s I've got. They're just a nice, neat, good set of extractors. I just need to take them off and either paint them up myself or get them ceramic coated at some stage when I have time. But yeah, so I'm wondering what I should do from the extractors back. You can get a set of a stainless high flow cat with a 100 cell cat for like $160 I think, a Venom one, which not the best quality, but it'll be a high flowing one and probably sound a fair bit later. Could gut that cat. Maybe I'll try that first just to see how it sounds before I get a new one, just for the hell of it. But I think I might have a hole in there anyway, because it leaks back here. I think the center pipe, I'm not sure if it actually needs replacing or not. I can't quite tell. It's leaking somewhere. I don't know if it's just here onto the garage or the cat. There's a little bit of leak, rusty water or something coming out of there. And then the muffler, I'll need to get it up and I'll hoist all. I'll jack it up to really have a good look, but definitely the rear section needs replacing. You can see that complete hole in it. The rear section is just a red back exhaust, so the rear section's it's less than $100 I think for that. So I could just get that. The only thing is I can't get it off. It's so rusted on there. I've tried to get that off. Haven't been able to get that off myself. But we'll see. I might be able to just cut it off or something. But yeah, I'm just wondering. I've went to a few places to see what like a custom stainless system would cost, and the cheapest I can get is even just a 2.5 inch is about $1,200. So when you can get a full mild steel one for on eBay, I think it was like $280 delivered. I think I had an eBay discount. I think I could have got the whole thing for $250 or something with a little discount and stuff. So I think I'll just get that for now. Work out what I want to do with the cat. But what would actually sound the best on these? I want you guys to tell me what you reckon would sound the best. If you had money with no objects, what would sound the best? Would a set of the comp extractors, the 480s, straight into what, a straight pipe just after that, or what would you do? A high flow cat, or just cat delete, maybe just one set of muffler, and then just a dump pipe out the back? And how big would a 3-inch system sound the best? Just naturally aspirated with a 3-inch, or would you just stay with the 2.5 inch, and then maybe just do like a 3 or 4, maybe the rear section could be 3-inch, and then just do like a 3.5 or 4-inch just dump pipe. I wonder what will sound the best. Like, people comment below what exhaust setups you've got, what brand mufflers are the best even, or do you just not have a muffler, just have a straight pipe? I'm not sure if that'll be pretty loud, and I'm not sure that's the best sounding. Probably at least a hot dog in there. I've heard some people just do a high flow cat, a hot dog before the diff, and then just out the back. That maybe just a hot dog would be better. But yeah, let me know below. Something I've got to do. So anyway, it's a great day. So I just thought I'd film the car, do a little video. Haven't filmed much actually since I've actually put the ebgts on. So the car's a bit dirty. Actually, the wheel's a bit dirty, but this new camera of mine actually looks pretty good. Actually, it comes up pretty well in the sun. It's a nice sunny day. The gold wheels really pop. So yeah, look at that. But yeah, I need to wash it. But anyway, I think the next thing I'll probably do, which is gonna cost nothing, is to now that summer's over, I might just take the tint off. I was gonna get it retinted, but for now I think I might just, now that summer's over, just take the tint off, see how it goes with no tint, see what it looks like, because I've never seen the car without tint, so I actually might like it better. Who knows, even just for the winter, while it's, you know, it's not so hot and sunny, it doesn't matter, because nearly every part, every window has got a problem, especially the back one. So yeah, I've got a steamer, so that'll help, or you just leave it out in the sun, sunny day, and that'll help. See there, it's all failing. But yeah, that'll be the next little mod. Let me know what you think about the exhaust, and yeah,